Trubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Dorbar Shnong Lawjynriew kala Rakhe ka jingtap shispa san Snem jong ka hakasing sa jan. Hakati ka juk asngi la play ka yeng ka baladap shispa Snem bat ka jingpen ipat ba ya umaskan. Haka jingkran ju umentri rang ba ka jela Conrad sangma. Ula penbena ban ai lai phaulang. Shaka Shnong naga Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Umentri rang ba ka jela ula kubur ka jingkershan bat ka jing trilang jung ki Dorbar Shnong ba pher haka ni ka klam COVID-19 bat kijing haka liang ka sukasan wat haba ka sorkar kadang persyang ban penbha yik jindon kam hak jaka ba pher umentri rang ba ula pleru eki katu kani ki project Dorbar Shnong jong ka Lawjynriew.
It is truly a privilege for me to be present here today as we mark a very historic and momentous occasion, the celebration of 150 years of Dorbar Shnong Lawjynriew. In the very outset, I thank the Almighty and extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire community on reaching this remarkable milestone. Friends, the story of Lawjynriew is not just a story of a locality. It is a story deeply connected with the growth of Shnong and the history of our state. From its early days under the traditional governance of Hima to its formal land registration in 1876, this locality has stood the test of time. What is most inspiring is how the people of Lawjynriew have preserved their identity while embracing change in this very fast-moving world of ours. From a settlement rooted in tradition, it has grown into a vibrant and cosmopolitan community, welcoming people from different parts of the country, especially students from across the Northeast. It is heartening to note that we have with us two of the oldest members of the locality, Gongbi Karmalki, who is around 98 years old, and T.S. Malko, who is about 95 years old. And he was the first Ranbadong of Lung Balam. They are revered elders of the community, and truly their presence out here is a source of inspiration for each and every one of us. While we applaud Kong Halmarki and Balmauto, we also bow our heads with reverence to the first settlers of Lawjynriew. It is because of them that this place is what it is today. Among the early settlers, the most prominent figure was Kong S. Karkongar, who is fondly remembered for a pivotal role in the establishment and early development of the Shnong. We also remember Baji Karkongar, who was the first Ramba Shnong of Lawjynriew, while we were still under the British rule. Of the Dorbar Shnong, and please excuse me if I get the pronunciation incorrect. Tinrei Ning Kene Katong Ni Be, upholding our foundation roots and striving towards our vision. I hope that generations to come will uphold it in their hearts, leaving behind footprints of honor for those who follow. I must say that Lawjynriew is a very, very forward-looking locality. Lawjynriew holds the distinction of being one of the first localities to introduce a door-to-door garbage collection system. This initiative reflects constructive approach to sanitation, public health, and environmental responsibility. This achievement was realized despite being outside the jurisdiction of the Shnong Municipal Board, demonstrating the locality's strong self-governance and community-driven development.